right, here we are. So, chapter 4 review. Now, what's important is that you think about what these problems mean instead of just memorizing. Because you can confuse those rules really easily. Right? So if we expand this, what does it become? 5 times
2. Oh, expand form.
Yeah.
V.
5 times V times V times V times V times V. And times 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're not required to do that on the test, but you should at least think about it, because we know that the order doesn't matter for multiplication, because multiplication is commutative. So we could do 5 times 2, 10. And we know that we have how many
13.
V's? 13. Right? Because I know some of you, when we hadn't done this for a little while and we had a weekend off from doing exponents, you guys multiplied. You would have done V to the 40th, but that's no good. It's not V to the 40th, right?
No.
So if you think expanded form, you can't miss it. You just can't miss. You can't. Okay, so number 2. You know what to do for number 2. All right, who can tell us what the correct answer is and what can be confusing about? Go ahead, sir. Do you have a code name that's appropriate? 007. I like that one. Okay, go ahead.
So so you put a 1 next to the x, then you know that
It's x to the first power.
yeah.
Excellent job.
And then also you put a 1
Yeah, you can do 1 times x. That's true.
And then you have 5, which equals 5x to the 4th, right?
I don't know. Do we agree?
Yeah.
Yes. Good job, sir. So it's 5x to the 4th. So the most common mistake would be to do 5x to the...
Fifth.
No.
To the first.
To the 3rd,
to the
because
1
you don't
power.
see a 1. You don't see a 1 next to that x, right? So people think, oh, it's a 0, but it's not a 0, is it? It's an invisible 1.
Wow.
Good job, 007.
Yeah, good job.
Yeah. Did we give him 10 points?
No.
Hopefully
No.
we will.
We get 10 points?
That's what the YouTube's all about.
Hold up.
My
Can I
friend.
go next? Can I go next? Do I get a consolation prize or do I get a
All right. Do you have a good code name?
wrong?
Only if you have a good code name.
I do.
Gotta be appropriate. No. You already
No,
said
it's
stuff
really
today.
No,
What's yours? Do you have one?
I want Isaac to.
No,
Isaac,
I don't think so. All right, moving
Wait,
on.
no. Okay, fine.
Math
Math teacher.
Math teacher.
That's my
It's
code
the
name.
math teacher.
Yeah.
Okay, math teacher.
No, it's supposed to be.
Let me shrink this part here. Okay, the math teacher. Go ahead, sir. How do we do this problem?
So first you're gonna add up all the k's.
Yeah.
So 5 plus 5 is 10.
Yeah.
10 plus 6 is 16.
So we
So
have
k to
k
the
to the
16th
16th.
power.
Good.
So now 6 times 3 is 18.
Mhm.
18 times 2 is 36.
Good job, sir. 36
Boy.
k to the 16th.
10 points.
Yeah. Do we agree with him?
Yes.
Yes.
I need 10 points.
You'll get your 10 points.
Please.
She'll give you.
Can I
10.
please have my 10 points?
Huh?
She said no.
She will. She's gonna give you your 10
She said
points.
no.
Okay, who wants to do the next one? Do you have a code name? What? Girl.
Wow.
The girl. Okay, girl. What do you want? What do you want to do for this problem? How do you solve it?
So first you do 5 times 6 and you get 30.
Wait. Are you talking? Oh no, I want to do number 5. I don't want to do all of them. So let's skip
So
that
it's
one.
So
Yeah.
you do B and then 6 and then you do times 3 so you get B 18.
Okay. Now, is she right or wrong for the V?
She's right.
She's right. Now what? But why is she right?
Because
Is
you have to
she?
multiply the powers.
Yeah, but why?
Because it's in parentheses.
Because when you expand it out, you would write 6, and you would write 6 of them 3 times, which
Right.
makes 18.
Yeah.
So, good. So the V is 18. Okay, what else?
And then we do 3 times 3, so you get
U
u to the 9th.
to the 9th. Good.
And then 6 times 3 is 18.
No.
Oh no, it's 6 times 6 times 6.
Right. So I'm just going to write 6 to the 3rd power because I'm lazy. I mean, because that's what I want to do.
Because I'm a math teacher.
Yes, I said that many times. So you can
Wait,
do
that?
you can do 36 times 6 if you really want to. But I guess Delta Math didn't let you.
216.
So 6 to the 3rd, U to the 9th, V to the 18th.
216.
Yup.
Yeah.
All right. Good job, young lady.
Thank you.
All right. Let's see. How about number 7 real quickly? Do you have an appropriate code name?
Yes.
What is it?
Blazing potato nugget.
Blazing potato nugget. I like that one. All right. How do we do this one?
So first we have to. So I did it faster. So I did since 2 times 2 equals 4.
Wait. Oh, I want to do number 7 though.
Oh, okay. So I did 6 times 6, which is 36,
Mhm.
and then I did 36 times 36 since there's 2 sets of 6.
And then you would do that answer
yeah,
times
so it'll be
6.
36 times 36.
But we don't want to do that. That's too much work. Why don't we just write 6 to the 5th?
Oh, okay, sure.
Okay. So
yeah.
6 to the 5th. Okay. What else?
And then you have to do 6 times 5,
Mhm.
and then you get u over u to the 30th,
Good.
and then v to the 30th.
Do we agree?
Yeah.
Excellent job, sir. Let's give a hand to all the people who volunteered to
And for the long answer, it is 30,776.
Is it?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, LN. Initials LN. Okay, help us out with number 9, please.
Oh. Okay, so you, what I first did was cancel out the 2 P's so that you get P2.
Okay, let me write this out and expand it because this is going to help us. So help me expand the numerator. 2M. Then what?
2 P, negative
P22.
No,
I
2.
mean PP.
No. All right, what's on the bottom?
9 M M M
MMM.
P.
He just said P.
P.
Yes. Oops, is that too many? Okay, 1 too many. And then?
Too many. Q.
Okay, so good. So glad we're not in 1st grade. Go ahead.
So you're gonna cancel out the P's, so you're gonna just end up with,
So 2 of them, okay.
and then you're gonna cancel out 1 M.
Yup. Okay, so what do we end up with?
2 over 9 M
2 over 9M.
P.
How many M's are left?
P Q
Yeah, M squared, P squared, and
squared.
Q squared. Excellente.
Negative.
And there's a negative in front of that whole fraction. So 2 over 9M squared, P squared, and Q squared. Good job.
Positive exponent.
Any questions? So it's easier to show on the board when we write it all out, but you don't have to write it all out. I recommend it though. All right. Do we need to do another one of these? No.
Yes, yes.
Why?
So we have less homework.
No, we don't need to do this.
No.
We don't need to do it. Okay, negative exponents. Okay, number 13. Who wants to do that one?
I do.
You already did one. Yes. Do you have a code name? What? Thing 2? Okay, thing 2. Go ahead. Number 13.
It has a negative exponent.
Yeah.
You have to turn it, you have to put 1 over. You have to put 1 over the PS.
Go ahead.
So how you would solve it, that you would move the x, you would move the x to the denominator
Uh-huh.
and have the 2 stay in the numerator.
Okay, so the answer is?
2 over x exponent.
Yes. right? And make sure you don't leave it negative in the denominator. After it moves, it becomes positive. Okay. These are easy. It'd be better if they were the same letter, huh? Because then one goes down and then they cancel. But oh well, these are easy. What?
I have a question.
Yeah.
Can you think about it kind of like the negative kind of thing of like alignment and fraction?
I guess, if you want to. Yeah. He's thinking of a memory trick. All right, so these 4 on the back, you're going to have to show a little work here. You can't just leave it without any work. All right, how about we do 18? That's a good one. I like that one. I'm going to even zoom in for this one. Zoom, zoom. Zoom in. Zoom in. Okay, I'm going to change my writing utensil because if I don't, then it's going to be way too hard to read. Okay. All right. So who wants to do this one? You have a code name?
Blazing chicken nuggets.
Student number 4. Go ahead.
Okay, so you cross out y to the 0th power.
Yeah, so first thing we're going to do is get rid of that y to the... Get out of here, you y to the 0 power.
Yeah, no.
You get out of here. Okay, yes, now what?
Just like rewrite it into 2 over x plus y. If you were to take that as form, since -4 is an even number,
It can't be just...
It simplifies into the.
Go ahead.
so the 2 and then go to the denominator.
Right, so we're going to take a little arrow. Okay, and so...
Would be 1 over 2
1 over 2x to the 6, y to the 5th. Yeah, somebody asked, do we need to write a 1 up here? Well, that's like saying if you have 1/10, did you have to write a 1? You do. It's like blank over 10 doesn't work, right?
I was thinking that.
Is there another question? Yes? What happened? Then go ahead and grab a hall pass and go to the nurse. Hopefully you don't have to go to the hospital.
Uh-oh.
Wait, which one?
Yes.
The hall pass. The bathroom pass. No, the hall pass.
Oh my.
Sorry, the office pass.
No, the bathroom pass. Which one?
The hall
hall
pass.
Okay, so there's a 2 to the 4th power here. 2 to the 4th power, x to the 6th power, y to the 5th power. Oops.
Uh-oh.
Get it now?
Yeah.
Thank you very much, young lady. Student number 4 or student number 6 or something. SB Live Forever. Okay, how do we do this problem, young lady?
Number 17, first you bring the v down to the denominator.
Right, so we're going to take this and get out of here. Go to the denominator.
Yeah,
Okay.
no one loves you.
U to the 6th. Okay, now what do we write?
And then u to the 6th and u to the 7th, they like cross each other. Like that.
No, we want to... Not yet, not yet. So let's rewrite it here after moving the v to...
So then it goes to u to the 7th,
Uh-huh.
v to the 6th. 4.
Yeah.
V to the 7th.
You're skipping steps. Okay, cool. So that's there, and then this is to the 3rd power. So we can do 2 things in one step, I guess. So we can combine the v's, and we can also cancel out some of these u's. All right, so what do we end up with?
Then we end up with 2.
Yeah.
Oh, because it cancels each other out. It's 1.
It's 1 over, because they all canceled out. Okay, 1 over 2
2 u.
u.
V for, or no, V6.
Yeah, v to the 6th. And then to the 3rd power. Almost done! Now what?
Oh, no way.
Yes. What else?
Then you do, so then you do 2 to the 8, 8.
Yeah, so 2 to the 3rd, which is 8. I'm just going to write 2 to the 3rd because I'm lazy.
U to the
to the third,
And b to the 6th.
and b to the
I mean b to the 18th.
18th. Awesome.
Over 1.
Not over 1. 1 over, right? But that's what you meant?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 over 2 to the third, u to the third, b to the 18th. That got a little squished there, huh? Should I fix it?
Yes.
I'm going to fix it. If I don't fix it, then this young man here will be mad at me, and I don't want that.
Which one?
Never mind. That's what my grandmother used to say. If anything bad happened, she would say, "Never mind."
Oh, Brian.
That's what she would say.
Brian, I want to.
So that nobody would. She didn't want anybody to fight, so she'd be like, "Never mind." All right, 2 to the third, u to the third, v to the 18th. All right, let's jump down to the bottom, and we're just about done. Yay!
That's my illegal name.
All right, anybody else for 10 points today? You didn't get it? You didn't get your 10 points yet? Okay, go ahead.
I got the better code name.
Roberto.
That's just my name, Minecraft.
Yeah. Okay, Minecraft. Go ahead.
I got the better code name.
So what is this closest to?
So you actually want to, okay, so that means square root, so that means that whatever times whatever equals 50, but same thing times same thing equals 50, so I think it's,
But what is it closest to? Estimate to the nearest integer.
oh, I got it, 7.
Yes. Because 7 squared is 49. And it's very close to that. So that's kind of a almost equal to, right? Almost equal to sign? It's a little wiggly squiggly. That's a much better one. There we go. So, all right, what is this one almost equal to?
Equal to
4, because 4 squared is 16. All right. Bye, YouTube.
Bye.